Hello crafters! Today I'm going to create another flower, and it's going to be a dahlia flower that's going to be made out of this really bright neon yellow. For this we will also need some acrylics. We're going to paint a little bit, brushes with water, white paper for the templates that I'm going to create now. You guys can just print out the template at the bottom in the description area. Glue gun, scissors, pencil, and this color I'm going to use, this yellow I'm going to use for the base. So here I created my template. I'm gonna post it at the bottom of this video, and if you're not using the template and you're recreating it yourself, the base of it is 2 1/3 of an inch, height is 6.5 inches, and width 4 inches. We will need 12 of the largest petals. Then we're gonna cut our template down to this secondary petal. We will need 8 of those petals, and we will need 6 of the smaller petals. Let's start. So here we have 12 of the large petals, 8 of the middle-sized petals, and 6 of the smallest petals. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna take our scissors, and what we need to do is we need to curl one of the edges, doesn't matter which edge, which side, so that it starts to bend a little bit. So okay, here we have the bend. When it is bending, we need to take our glue gun and make this nice envelope. So this is what we need to get, this kind of envelope. Make sure that it's not too narrow, because if it's really narrow, then we're gonna have to make more than 12 to circle around our flower. Now let's repeat this for all of the petals. Just a small tip as you are bending the paper, if it's really hard to do, what I do is I take a brush over here and I use it as a guide to bend the paper a little bit from both sides. So here are all the petals cut and folded. Now let's make a base 4 3/4 of an inch in diameter. Okay, place it down and arrange all of the petals on top. Okay, ready to glue gun. So here's the first layer all done. Now we're gonna create the second layer. For that, place our secondary petals on top roughly so that you know where they go. About so, for me. And start gluing them. Some of the petals will be in between the bottom petals, but some will not be. Like for example, this one is on top. So here's the second layer. Now we're gonna place the little guys on top for now, so that we roughly know where what goes. Find the best spots for them, whatever you consider to be the best spots. Maybe areas that don't have like that, maybe areas that have spaces. For example, over here there's a space, so I'm gonna put this one in here and glue them also with the glue gun. So here is our flower, looking great. So now what we need to do is we need to take white and our brush and dab the ends of our flower with white color, white acrylic. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of pink at the very tips. The very last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my purple. Now the pink hasn't dried yet, which is fine and even great because it will blend nicer with the purple. So one of the last things we need to do is we need to put a little hook that you're gonna be able to hang the flower on. Crisscross it, put some glue gun here and some glue gun on top. And here is our flower. Thank you so much for watching. It looks awesome. I'm very happy how it turned out. Please try it and let me know how it goes. Thank you. Bye.